What's up, you all? This is Hussein Nasser from IGeometry, and I normally don't record on Wednesdays. I postpone them to Fridays, but today, I don't know, I was bored, so I just ordered KFC. They say it takes 45 minutes to 1 hour to deliver. God, I mean, how big is Bahrain, huh? Really? Anyway, so while I'm waiting for my food, for my lunch, okay, I'm gonna record a new video for you guys. So let's catch up. While I'm driving, I thought what I will be doing in this episode. I think we'll do some searching today. We're gonna search for a new for restaurants. So there will be some typing, and then I don't know. I need to see the interface. Maybe you guys can help. For once, at least, do something. Suggest. I'm here to listen. All right. Okay. So no, seriously, I think I will add a new text box and type in the restaurant name, and we will populate the searched features in that drop down list. So previously we did the flash. Remember, when you select a restaurant and we select that particular restaurant, we flash it, da, 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 and we can increase the number of occurrences of the flash as well. Okay, I'll let you do that as an assignment if you want to. It's really easy. So flashing, we did that. We use the XOR function to draw and redraw and draw and redraw. So how it works basically, when you flash, you draw and then you draw on top of it using the not XOR operator. So red pixel plus a red pixel equals a transparent pixel. So that's why it literally disappears. Okay, if you don't get it. So what I want to do here is maybe I need to add a little text box here. I don't know. But the problem is that we will not need the category if we are searching for a restaurant. If you know the restaurant name or let's call it the venue name, then you don't need to select the category, right? It's kind of redundant. But I really need to reuse this. So I don't know what to do here. You know what? I guess I'll just add maybe another form. Eh, let's just add another text here, another drop down list. What the hell? All right. So let's close that and open our Visual Studio. Run as I keep running as administrator, but actually I think you can just set that in the properties, but I don't want to do that because you guys, if you watch, you have to watch the first video to ask you to explain why I am running as administrator, because I'm running it for a reason, because it didn't compile. You need some permissions issues, so you can set this, but I'm not annoyed. You can set this in the properties and the compatibility and say run this program as administrator, but you don't need to right click and run as an administrator. You just run it and it will always run as an administrator. So it's up to you guys. I'm not annoyed with this right click. If you are, just do this. Okay. All right. And let's open our form. So we want all right, let's just add a text box here and search when well, I don't know really where to add it. I guess I didn't think this through maybe. But you know what? fuck it. Let's just add the text box here. Where's the text box? Where's the text box, man? And I didn't time this video, so I don't know how much time I'm taking, so let's just time it now. Alright, so text box. Let's just add a text box here and we'll see what will happen. Right? We'll see. Let's just see. Let's just add it here. Okay. We'll call it search label. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, just like that. Search restaurant name. Okay, by name. Let's search by name. All right. I guess. So to make things simple, just add a button here. So if you would say, why don't you just, while you're typing, you search? But I don't want to do that now. It will complicate stuff. I want to keep it PG-13. Haha. I want to keep it simple, really, guys. Right? I can make a condition here when someone hit the enter key, the search will be activated, and hell, you can also do it on text change. But why? We are in a hurry. We don't have anything to do anyway. So let's just wait. So I'm gonna type the restaurant name here. I'm gonna hit search, and something will be populated here. Okay. So we'll populate the restaurant, whatever restaurants that match whatever restaurant that match this search will be populated. So let's go ahead, double click. Okay, search restaurant by name. So do you guys know how to search restaurant by name? Nope. We didn't explain that, but we explained something called the query filter. You guys remember? Here we are getting the layer, and we are getting the feature class, and then query filter, and then we are querying where category is equal this, right? Well, I don't want to query the category. I want to query the name instead. And so let's just copy this code. And conveniently, we have a function called populate venues, which takes a cursor and loops through the venues, which is, let's go to the definition, which does all this work and populate the venues and create the restaurant object. Refer to the 6th episode. You guys, I'm gonna put the link here. I guess I know how to put a link here. I'll try to. I don't know. I never tried to put a link in YouTube, so this is my first series, guys, on YouTube, so bad editing might happen, so don't butcher me. Okay, so here the populate venues, here it takes the cursor and populates the combo box, the drop down list. So all we have to do is rock your body. All I need to do is rock your body. Right click, paste. Where's the paste? God damn it. Okay. We need to get the selected layer. Done. We need to get the feature layer. Done. We need to get the feature class. Done. You know how, right, guys? Feature layer dot feature class. This is our underlining table, so we can search. And we need to get the query filter. Done. We need to query the where clause. Not done. This is not our where clause. This is a wrong where clause. We need to query the name of the restaurant. But we don't have the name of the restaurant. Wrong. We do have the name of the restaurant. The name is actually text search. Of course, there is nothing called text search. You didn't name the text box. Where's the text box? Text search. Okay, this is the range So again, I get the restaurant name here. Let's declare a variable. The s name as a string equal text search dot text. We get that s name. If you know some SQL, here it will be really where you'll use it, guys. Okay, it's actually the field name is equal the name, right? But you cannot just do that, right? This will generate an error. Can you guess why? Correct, because name is a string and you need a quotes. You need to close it. So this will give me an exact restaurant name. So you have to be very specific about the uppercase and case sensitive, and you have to get exactly the same, which nobody on earth does. Okay, nobody can guess the right spelling of all restaurants. Okay, that's why we use the like. You guys, I don't know if I can add a link to another resource, but you can refer. I'm gonna refer to SQL. Can refer to SQL syntax. Okay. Name like this, and I'm gonna add a percentage in the beginning and the percentage at the end, which will make the query something like this. Name like I don't know. Give me a restaurant. McDonald's. So this, what does this mean? Means give me this string whether there is anything in the prefix and whether there's anything in the appendix they call it. I don't know. So let's say I have in my database McDonald's, and I have what? I have Hardee's, I have KFC. So if I searched if I search for hard, I will get Hardee's, right? If I search for, say, just A, I will get McDonald's because A, there's an A, and I will get Hardee's, but I don't get KFC. If I searched for F, and so on, you guys, you know SQL, right? So this should work. Query filter, take that query filter, search, don't recycle. Oh guys, I forgot to explain recycling. Maybe this is a good time to explain it. Nope, this is not a good time, because I'll explain this in the 10th episode. Maybe this is the 9th. Let's just keep it. Let's just keep it low. I'm not gonna make a joke about that. Let's just okay. All right. So I think that's it. That's a very lame functionality. We did it so fast. Where's my food? I'm so hungry. I am so hungry, guys. Okay, so can I don't know any restaurant name. Marvelous. There is a water lane lounge. Let's search for water. And just search. Wow! Can I flash it? How convenient, my friend! And no single error as well. So if I searched, if I didn't enter anything and I search, can you guess? Can you guess what will be the result? I'm waiting for you guys. You can pause the video, it's alright. Well, if you didn't enter anything, you'll get everything. Every single restaurant, that's right. Every single restaurant will be served because every single restaurant has a blank space. So how about a space? Let's try that. Every single restaurant that has a spaces. Okay. Do you want to break this? I'm gonna break it for you now. I'm gonna break the code, but first let's just have more fun. If I search for cafe with capital, there's nothing, all right? But cafe, the exact name of cafe, exact spelling, exact how you get it, okay? I'm gonna fix the uppercase stuff, hopefully, and we're gonna fix this baby. So let's search for Mercies. Boom. Why? This is called, by the way, sanitizing your input. You have to sanitize your input because see this little biatch, that single quote. I hated. Everybody, every developer hates this singleton. There's no man or woman on earth who doesn't hate this as a programmer, because this caused jobs. This caused firing people, man. So why did we get the error? So let's try. Basically, what happened is when I searched someone whose name shall remain nameless, type Mercies. So we will replace Mercies. What will happen? So name like this, right? And then single quote, and then that, and then the S name, which is Mercies, and then what? This, and then this. That's the string, right? For .NET, basically, this string, as far as .NET goes, the string, or not .NET, sorry, as not as far as the SQL goes, this is the like string up to here, and this is just crap that you added. So it says, hey, what are you saying here? I didn't understand this. I did understand that you want to say like mercy, and then you just said something else, right? So we have to fix this. We have to replace the single quote with double quotes all the time. So it just says, okay, open a single quote, this is your string. You want to close? No, I don't want to close. Okay, okay, continue. And then this is the close. It has to be just an even number of quotes. So let's sanitize the input. I don't know how to spell sanitize. Sorry guys. I'm not, English is my second language. Don't judge me. Okay. Okay, so sname is equal to sname, and we need to sanitize this. We need to replace all these with these. That's it. That's it. We just fixed the problem, okay, of the high. So sname, we need to now to solve the uppercase problem. So I need to search, not uppercase, case sensitivity problem. So I need to search regardless of the case sensitivity. So how to solve this? It is a simple endeavor, guys. What we have to do is basically type here upper name. So I want to search the names in upper characters, but of course you have to also make the names upper themselves, right? So the search of the name should be sname.upper to upper, and that's it. So this way you are searching against the database the upper cases version of this, okay? And sname, you will search the upper cases as well. So this should match. So whatever your text can be, it will always be searched in upper mood. So let's compile that. I cannot compile. I have to close that. Build. Well, Mercy. Let's see if Mercy is. Wow. No errors anymore. Well, how about we search Mercy? How about we search Merci beaucoup, mon chéri? Oh yeah. Regardless of what you type, M-A-R-A-C-Y. That's right. So, okay. So, what can we do more here? I think. So we searched, we managed to do that, and flashing. We can make this episode. We can end the episode here. I guess. You know what? Let's remove this button for you guys. Yeah. Let's go with some programming techniques here. So when I double click here, okay. You know what? Well, we'll do it even better. Okay. Let's copy this code. Now this is a very it's not recommended, but what the hell? Let's do it. So as you type, as the text changes, we're gonna query. Every time you type a letter, we're gonna query. How about that? Huh? How about that? And we can delete this. Can I delete this? What just happened? It went into a ghost. Boo. Where is this? I don't know what happened. Okay. Compile. Build solution. What is this? Facebook. Notification. Let's try. Oh, this will be very bad. Oh, I don't know what happened. I lost the focus. No, okay. Ah, man. Nothing. Okay. List. I don't know what I don't know what I'm writing. Seriously, guys. Cafe. Give me all cafes. How fast is this, huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Really beautiful. But you cannot see it because you have to click every time. But you know, as I type, it just comes. It just comes out, man. And it's actually surprisingly fast. It's not bad. Okay, Flash. Yeah, Flash. Let's just search here. Flash. Yes, I did that on purpose. No, I didn't actually. So can you guess why I'm getting an error here? Let's fix that. Okay, we have let's do for 2 more minutes. Okay, we can fix that. So object reference not set to an instant of an object. This is a very famous error, which means that you used a variable or variable. You have used a variable without, which is empty. It's just a shell. It does not set to an object. It's not set to an instance. And you're right, because I didn't select anything here. So there are so many ways we can fix this. And it's basically when you flash, you say CMB when user selected item. If this is nothing, what does nothing mean? Nothing means it's null in .NET. So check if null. So if p restaurant is nothing, then exit sub. Or you can just say return. Works same way. So we just fixed that, and I think works with the same here with the reselecting. So if p restaurant is nothing, return nothing, return nothing. أنا مستطرب اليوم ما أعرف ليش قاعد أغني وايد قاعد أغني. Okay. Alright guys, I think that's all, but let's just check if we have our code is working or not. Where's that KFC? I'm so hungry. By the way, guys, I'm not fat, okay? I just eat KFC once a month. Doesn't make me fat. Don't stereotype, okay? Go see my pictures. I'm really not fat. I'm very thin. I go to the gym as well, but I have two. Nice. Okay, so let's just, wow, no errors. That's right, man. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's really nice, man. Okay. Uh, we did 25 minutes. Let's do another 5 minutes. I'm gonna give you another 5 minutes, guys. Waiting for the chicken, my chicken. So what I will do is here, I will, when I click on, when I search, as I search, I am going to display the result on here. I don't know if that is possible, but we will try it. So do you guys remember how to set the definition layer? Yes, you do. If you don't, go back and do that exercises again. Okay, it's in the second or third, I don't remember. What is this? I don't want to build. Okay, so we have, I wanted to do, I forgot. So let's search. While I search, I want to set the definition query. I think I have the code somewhere here. There you go. Very nice, huh? But that function is nasty. It takes only a category code. You know what? Let's override that. What? No. By mistake, I controlled. Okay, so let's override that method, because this method takes a category code. I am going to make it take a where clause. Where clause as a string. So if you guys new to overloading, it's basically a function with the same name, or a method with the same name, but you are giving it different parameters. So in this case, I'm giving it an integer, and in this case, I'm giving a string. So this is the actual main function. It takes a string. So what we will do here is basically set that function and call the definition query with the where clause as this, and we can delete this code. So chained function, so it should work because category code and category. So this function accepts the where clause, and then we take the where clause and set the definition query. So I can use this where, I can reuse this function now. Where exactly? Here, baby. I can use it here. So after I populate the venues, set the definition query. How about that? So what is this? What is our query? Is pQuery filter.where clause, right? That's our query. I never tried this before, so we might get an error, but let's cross our fingers and run. Sweet Jesus! It's working. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Oh Lord. Oh Lord Jesus. That's so fun. That is so fun, man. That is so fun. I am easily amused. Let's search for cafes. Biatches, that's right. Here is my KFC. Just a second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Let's say, so I think everything is okay, right, guys? So let's end this episode here. Food, fast food. No fast food? Why there is no fast food, man? There's a fast food. No fast food. Diners. What are the diners? Crotons. I got some errors here. We're gonna discuss them in the next episode. Okay, guys, that will be all. Thank you for watching and stay awesome. Subscribe and leave any comment if you would like. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Okay, again, I'm gonna make this playlist around 10 episodes, maybe 11, I don't know. If you didn't, I'm gonna target other topics like JavaScript, maybe with ArcGIS. So who knows? You can suggest any other topics, you guys. Okay. All right, guys. Gonna leave it here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.